Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of airlines or American Airlines app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of American Airlines. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of American Airlines.